Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today we are showcasing how Maruti Suzuki Service ensures your car is road ready after an extended period of inactivity. Extended car inactivity can impact the performance of key components like the battery, tires, brakes and air conditioning. At Maruti Suzuki Service, we thoroughly clean your car's exterior to remove dust and deep clean the interiors to refresh the cabin and eliminate odors. Our technicians inspect and refill all essential fluids, including engine oil, coolant and brake fluid, ensuring your car runs smoothly. We use specialized equipment to test the battery's health and recommend any necessary replacements. Our experts ensure your tires are properly inflated, free from cracks, and have sufficient tread depth for safe driving. Our final safety checks include testing the lights, brakes, steering responsiveness and much more. With these comprehensive steps, Maruti Suzuki Service ensures your car is ready to hit the road again in top condition. Stay informed, stay safe.